So much, CJ. So we'll see how the Senate will react to this particular judgment. National Assembly correspondent TJ Suade live for us there in the nation's capital. Now let's hear from, as we will say, the horse's mouth. The counsel to Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, who we expect to be speaking on her behalf in this conversation. Victor Giwa joins us now for more on this development. Good to have you join us, Mr. Victor Giwa.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. I know you have read the judgment. You were in court as well. This judgment is mixed. On one hand, it has asked that the senator be immediately reinstated. But on the other hand, it's asking for a public apology on 2 national dailies, Facebook, and then a ₦5 million fine. How is the senator reacting to both judgments?
Okay, thank you very much. Firstly, I'm not speaking for her for now. I will just speak as a lawyer and as a public affairs analyst. Of course, I was in the team of the legal team. I was involved in all the processes, both from the criminal, from the issue of the petition, to even the case, the last time the case was argued and adjourned for judgment. So I want to put it straight. I'm not speaking for her. When it gets to the time when she will speak, she will speak for herself. But what I need to say right here is the fact that the court has given its decision. The court have said that the Senate should immediately recall Senator Natasha Uduaghan. Of course, that the suspension, for the 6-month suspension, was excessive. And of course, it is not supposed to be, it's not a news to us. It is not a news to me as a lawyer. It is not supposed to be a news to every citizen of this country, because it is a notorious fact that the Court of Appeal and our various courts have established the fact that the Senate cannot suspend a senator for a period beyond 14 days. It happens in the case of Senator Ali Idome versus Senate President in 2018. The Court of Appeal in that case declared that the suspension of Senator Ali Idome for 6 months was unconstitutional, illegal, null and void. The same year, Senator Dino Melaye was suspended, and the Federal High Court declared his suspension as illegal, null and void.
Let me quickly comment. You have talked about how you've repeated the same thing that the court said, which is that it is unlawful and excessive. But the other part where she was convicted of contempt and asked to pay ₦5 million fine, and then apologies on 2 national dailies. What does that say about how the senator handled this particular issue from the very beginning?
Now, I need to put it in perspective. The issue of the fine was on contempt, civil contempt. Now, what happened was that during the course of the proceeding, there was an order made by the court that all parties in the case, all parties in the case should not address the press or make any public comment on any public media, whether it is social media or our conventional media. And you recall some times ago, about 2 months ago, she did a satiric apology on her Facebook page. And that was what was brought to the attention of the court, that she has made comments on the case in her social media page, which is in her Facebook page. And it was that particular issue that was drawn to the attention of the court, that she was in contempt of that order of the Federal High Court that no parties in the suit should make any public comment or address the media on the subject matter. And it was based on that the Senate President the Senate President brought it to the court's attention that she has made some comments in her social media page, and the court looked at it and, in its own wisdom, found out that her comment in her Facebook page was in violation of that order, that she should not make, parties should not make comments on about the subject matter. So
now that the court has given a judgment on that particular action of the senator, I know you say you are not speaking for her, but she's your client and you're on her team advising her. Will you advise her to appeal that particular judgment or pay that fine and make the public apology?
It's a decision that the team are looking into it, and she is looking into it. She will take that decision, you know, in the shortest possible time. But like I said, it's very important that you know the distinction between that. The fine was for the social media comment, not for apology to the Senate President for our action within the legislative chambers.
Thank you so much for your time. Counsel to Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, Victor Giwa, thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for having us.